Hey guys, this is the side wall of my garage facing north. I have this unpleasant looking green moss growing on it. I'm in the process of beautifying this wall. It's just too flat and blank, but I need to get rid of the moss on the wall first. I'm going to try bleach and also vinegar separately. First, I'm trying the bleach. I put 50-50 bleach and water in the sprayer. We'll see how bleach is effective in getting rid of the moss. There are plenty of products in the market for this, but they cost around $10 to $20, and I choose to do this on a budget. I had bleach at home already, so it cost me nothing. Bleach is harmful to plants, so be careful not to get it on them. Also protect your clothes or wear something old when handling bleach. I'm just lightly spraying all over the green stuff. I think it already started working. It's not even a minute. I started spraying and moss seems like disappearing. On the left side, if you notice, here is green, and the left, I don't even see the green anymore. That's a pretty fast reaction. I don't see green stuff on the left. It's gone on the left. And look at this, the whole thing in few minutes, all gone. That brown stuff is some dirt and also old paint showing through, but I did not spray a lot in the bottom. Maybe I have a little bit of moss left, but I don't want too much bleach in the area because of my plants. But overall the wall looks fine compared to this side. It was like this, ugly and all greeny. Now that green is gone. I think when they painted the garage, they didn't paint it all the way down because they had plants probably. That's why I got that color. Now I'm going to try vinegar on this side, see how that's gonna work. I'm using white vinegar. It's not diluted with water, just straight only vinegar. And just like the other side, I'm just going to spray it all over the green stuff. Vinegar is safer than bleach, but still it's not good for your plants. You can burn the leaves. Try not to get it on your plants. By the way, never mix vinegar and bleach together. They create a toxic gas when they put together. Vinegar doesn't start working as fast like the bleach. Bleach was instant. Instantly I saw the result. With vinegar I see all even getting worse. It's even greener than ever. But I will give it a time to work its magic. It's been 5 minutes. As you can see, no change whatsoever. Not like bleach. So I think I'm gonna come back tomorrow and see if there is any difference. Next day, moss was gone. Vinegar definitely needed some time to work its way through, but it definitely did. This is the bleach applied surface, and this is the vinegar applied surface. Results are similar. If you're not in a hurry, I would definitely go with vinegar, since bleach is a chemical and toxic to living organism and not good for environment. Well, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!